All right, in this video we're going to install Adobe Photoshop utilizing the Creative Cloud desktop application. So if I open up the desktop application for Creative Cloud, which is already showing up here, you'll notice there's an install button. And if I click there, what's going to happen? It's going to start to install the application. Okay, now if you have an existing account like I have, okay, it's going to import all of your libraries and everything like that. However, if it's a fresh account or a brand new account like what we have right now, there's not going to be any libraries or anything installed after the application is completely installed. So we're just going to stand by here and let this load. And once it gets to 100%, we'll click on Open and we'll launch the application. We'll let the splash screen show up, and then I'll leave you there. And in the next video, we'll talk more about what we're seeing on the screen. But we want to get the application up and running to make sure that everything is working and it's installed properly and all that good jazz. And that's the cool thing about using Creative Cloud is they package the software or the application for you right inside the desktop application, so it's easy to install, which is awesome. So kudos to Adobe for making stuff easy and accessible to folks. And so once they're done adding the remove tool components, then we're going to click on Open and we're going to launch Adobe Photoshop application. So this is the same setup on Windows as it is on Mac. So if I click on Open, this is going to open the application. It's going to verify on Mac, it'll verify on Windows. It'll pop up a message saying, is this application secure to install? Something to that degree. If you get a pop-up, that's what it would say. If there's no pop-up, that means that you're good to go. And once that's verified, it should pop up a splash screen. And if it doesn't, there we go. Right on cue, it pops up. Okay. So now we have Adobe Photoshop installed by using Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. So congratulations on getting Photoshop installed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.